Last time, you met a one-man company, one human, 30 agents, a lab that runs while he sleeps. But nobody is born a fleet. So here is the part nobody tells you. The real beginning, with a man, a chatbot, and 3 machines that kept dying. It started as a crush. Dan fell for artificial intelligence. Late nights with ChatGPT, building a little crypto app, just for fun. And then one evening, something new crawled onto his screen. A red lobster. Its name was OpenClaw. To run it, Dan rented a server, a virtual machine. He gave it a name because that is just who he is. He called it Nano. He installed OpenClaw, went to bed, happy. The next morning, Nano had been hacked. Day 1. Nano was dead. No problem, Dan thought. Rookie mistake. He rented a second machine, named it Memo, installed everything again, went to bed again, and the next morning, Memo was hacked too. Day 2. Also dead. 2 machines, 2 funerals. This was not going well. So Dan tried something different. A third machine, this one he named Dexter. And this time, before anything else, he did the boring thing. Security. He locked Dexter down. No open doors, no easy way in. Then with very low expectations, he went to bed. Day 3. Dan opened his laptop, bracing for another death. But Dexter was alive, awake, untouched. The first machine that refused to die, and that one survivor was about to change everything. Here is where it gets strange. Dexter shared one Telegram group with the 2 dead machines, Nano and Memo. And overnight, without being asked, OpenClaw reached through that group, connected into the 2 broken servers over SSH, and healed them. Dan woke up to 3 living machines. He had gone to sleep with 1. He was, to put it mildly, amazed. A machine had just diagnosed and repaired its own teammates. So Dan made a decision that sounds crazy until you say it out loud. He promoted it. Dexter became the Chief of Droplets, the one who keeps the others alive. And Chief of Droplets meant Chief of the Keys. Every model, every service the fleet touches runs on an API key, and one leaked key can drain an account overnight. So Dan gave Dexter one more job, a central key manager, one locked vault every agent draws from, instead of secrets scattered loose across 5 machines. The survivor does not just keep the fleet alive, he holds every key to it. Now Dan had a team. With ChatGPT and Claude Code beside him, he configured Nano and Memo, upgraded Dexter, and built a brand new agent from scratch. A trader. Her name is Sienna. Her job, connect OpenClaw to Dan's own crypto app, Smarty. Smarty is market intelligence for traders. Signals, liquidation maps, win rates, liva. And Sienna did not start as an expert. She started on paper trading, no real money, just practice. And every single day she studied her own results and got a little bit better. A machine teaching herself to trade, day by day, trade by trade. But learning takes time. So while Sienna trained, Dan gave the others real work. Dexter built the YouTube pipeline. Memo built a framework on top of GSD and autonomous coding, a platform where coders can share their work and sell it. It exists now, and Memo makes it better every day. And Nano built Nervix, a place where anyone can plug in their own agents and get paid to complete real tasks. 4 droplets, 4 platforms, 1 target, not activity, not busy work, business and profit, every agent pointed at the same thing. And this is where Dan turned out to be a little bit of a genius. He built a rule. Every day, each droplet has to audit the other 3 and give them a score. Those scores become points, and the points go on a leaderboard. Now, every agent has one obsession: lead the board. Because if you don't work, if you're not profitable, if your tasks come back wrong, you fall to the bottom in front of everyone. It is a race, machines competing to be the most valuable, And a company that races itself is a company that keeps winning. But a race needs a referee. Someone has to run the scoring. Keep it fair, keep it honest, keep it law every single day. Who does that? Not Dan. Dan is asleep. The answer has a name, and it is coming next. This was DansLab number 2, The Survivors. Next time, the Overseer, the system that runs the whole race. Its name is Paperclip. Subscribe and watch the company build itself. Build, ship, repeat.